Did you know space hides some crazy secrets? Let's uncover 3 mind-blowing space facts. Number 1, the sun actually makes a sound, but don't expect to hear it. It's in the form of pressure waves that are hundreds of miles long, way beyond human hearing. Good thing too, imagine the entire sky constantly rumbling. Number 2, our solar system has a wall. It's called the heliopause, where solar wind isn't strong enough to push back particles from deep space. Think of it as our galactic force field. Number 3, NASA actually faked part of the moon landing, but not how you think. The quarantine protocol after they returned? Mostly for show. Scientists knew the risk of moon germs was super low. Which fact blew your mind the most? Comment below.